11th Accountancy, Unit 1, Introduction to Accounting. Accounting definitions and meaning. So, accounting definition American Accounting Associations has defined accounting the process of identifying, measuring, and communicating economic information to permit informed judgment and decision by user of the information. So first of all, new preparation process of identify பண்ணோம். Next measuring and communicating to the economical informations, and next one judgment of the decision making of the business transactions. So next one is preparation of accounting cycle first business transaction all entered. First one is the journal. The first steps of accounting process is identifying the financial transaction of the business. All the monetary transactions are recorded in the books of original entry is called a journal. Journal is transfer to the next one is posting. So posting and balancing. Posting means the transfer of the entries from journal to the ledger is called posting. Posting in the ledger entries are made in each account of classifying under the common heads. Is next preparation of trial balance. Trial balance is the list of ledger balance, namely trial balance is prepared. The next step on the basis of ledger balance of financial statements are prepared. Financial statements are prepared. So next one is trading account. Trading account is preparation for the particular accounting period. All the direct expenses or direct revenues or transaction recording in the trading account. The trading account is balance is called gross profit or gross loss. Next, preparation for profit and loss account. The profit and loss account is prepared for particular accounting period. All the indirect revenue and the indirect expenses with the gross profit and gross profit or gross loss transferred to the profit and loss account. The balance of profit is preparation of net profit or net loss. Next is preparation of the balance sheet. The balance sheet of the assets and liabilities is namely is prepared for the financial steps in the accounting process. It is prepared for the particular date, normally on the last day of the accounting period. The closing balance of accounting year are taken in the opening balance for the next accounting year. The trial that all the transaction is identified and recorded in the next year are followed by the posting and other steps. The results are communicated to the user of accounting. The information is purposes of analysis of decision making. The first step is the journal next posting வருது. Postingல இருந்து ட்ரையல் பேலன்ஸ் வந்து ஒரு பிஸ்னஸ் டிரான்சாக்ஷன்ல ட்ரேடிங் ப்ராஃபிட் அண்ட் லாஸ் அக்கௌண்ட் அண்ட் பேலன்ஸ் ஷீட் ஆல் த ஃபைனான்சியல் டிரான்சாக்ஷனையும் ரெக்கார்ட் பண்ணுறதுக்காக இந்த அக்கௌண்டிங் சைக்கிளை யூஸ் பண்ணுறாங்க. இதோட இந்த டாபிக் முடியுது. இந்த சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள், லைக் பண்ணுங்கள், ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள். தேங்க்யூ.